Hi guys, welcome to this short video about with what you could replace the very expensive Cointreau, especially when it comes to making your own tiramisu. We have a lot of experience in making tiramisu. We have also Italian friends, and my wife has a huge experience with making tiramisu, and she's definitely making one of the very best tiramisus I've ever experience since years, and she got a lot of compliments, so it's really good. I mean, here I've already eaten some of it, or we have been eating some of it. Doesn't look like brand new anymore, but still I wanted to share our experience with you, how this went. I mean, it started when I was in the shop. I just needed a little bit. I mean, if you're making also your own tiramisu, you know that you don't need a lot of Cointreau, just a little bit. And when you have to go to a store and pay $30 for a huge bottle of it, then it seems to be a little bit costly, and it's tempting to use something different. And when you go on Google and ask how you can substitute like Cointreau, then they're saying, yeah, Grand Marnier, triple sec, orange, curacao. And I've seen a lot of people saying, yeah, okay, the triple sec is actually a really good possibility. And when I looked at the shelves, yeah, it looked really tempting for me. It has also good reviews when you look online, so I thought, okay, it's about same size and it's only 1/3. Of course, you know, it has much less alcohol, but I thought, yeah, okay, that's not a big problem for me. But there's one big problem. It looks like they replaced the alcohol by sugar. I mean, how did it turn out? When you look at it, it was absolutely perfect, and when you take the first bite of it, then it smells exactly the same. You wouldn't notice that it has been replaced by the triple sec. I mean, when you taste it, like nature Cointreau compared to triple sec, you feel that this thing, the triple sec, has way less taste. So we were a little bit shocked when we tried it before making the tiramisu, and we thought, okay, that's never gonna work. But when we started eating, we had to admit that the taste was exactly the same. But now after that, the problem started actually when you continue eating like a little bit more, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons or forks of it, you will feel in a sudden that it's way more sweet than with the Cointreau. That's a huge disadvantage. I mean, really, the taste is exactly the same. It's almost impossible to taste the difference, but if you're used to eat a lot of this thing, I can tell you it's almost impossible. It's so sweet. It's absolutely incredible. I mean, it's not a huge amount, but it makes a huge difference. And so I would say, yeah, you can do that if you really have to look at the money, I mean, budget or so. You could use that, and you can even save more money. Not only the difference between these two brands, you can even save much more money because people won't eat as much as they are used to eat. I can tell you, you can even save much more money. But at the end, I mean, it's not all about saving money. It's about good taste, good experience, and then you are way better off. I can tell you, way better off with a Cointreau. Maybe you will find a small bottle. I don't know. I mean, I haven't seen that in the store where I have been. Maybe if you go to a liquor store, you'll find a small bottle, and it's definitely worth to look around and prefer buying a small bottle of the original Cointreau instead of substitute it with something very cheap like this one here. I have been buying exactly this one here, the DeKuyper, or however it's called. I mean, it's not a bad thing, but it's most of it is just sugar, and you can taste it, and it's not worth it. And we figured we are not going to do that again. Maybe we're trying that in a margarita or in a drink, but definitely not in a tiramisu again. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.